So that bolt was very easy to get at. Now, the other bolt is, if you can follow my finger, where's my finger? Right here. Other bolt is right up in here, and I can't even get my hand in there. And it's, and the bolt goes across right there. You can see that's where it comes out now. So I can't even get my hand in there. Okay, that's number one. Like I can't. My hand goes about a third of the way up in there, in that little space. So I wanted to take the bumper off, but what a mess. So instead, I'm going to show you. I took one of the bolts they gave me with a conical shaped washer, tooth washer, and I'm going to give you an example. And I put it on this magnet wand, just like that, on a 45-degree angle, and then I put it up through the very tight space. See, put it up in there, and then I just it put it in place. Okay, so now it's gingerly in the little hole, and then I took my 13mm wrench, and I had about a half inch of movement. And 15 minutes later, I got I got like an inch or so of this 1.5 inch bolt to go all the way in. Oh my gosh, very, very difficult. So don't believe these BS videos on how easy it is to install a trailer hitch on your 2009 Toyota Yaris. It's extremely difficult. And that's all I have to say on that matter. You have a great day. Talk to you soon.